Africa. As you can see, American imperialism want to destroy one of ours. America right now after Ibrahim Traore. Ibrahim Traore is fighting for his integrity, fighting for his dignity, fighting for his people. Now, you as African, from today, 24th of April 2025, you are not buying any Coca-Cola. You are not buying anything from KFC. You are not buying anything from McDonald's. You are not buying anything made by Americans. You are standing unity with the people of Burkina Faso and you are boycotting American-made products. Stand united, Africa. Stop financing devils who want to kill ours.